Hey everybody, I'm going to be opening up a box of 0910, the Cup Hockey. Here we go. First card is a base of Dennis Potvin for the Islanders. That's number 204 out of 249. Next up, we got a rookie of Logan Couture, 145 out of 249. Next up, nice patch. Signature patches, 24 out of 75 of Henrik Lundqvist. Next up, we got an autograph of Carey Price, 32 out of 50. Next up, we got a Bobby Clark, 17 out of 50 autograph. Finally, we got a 101 printing plate of Spencer Machasik. And that's it. I want to thank Chris at the Hobby Box